outside. Quick little 5 miles tonight. A little Friday night Miami Beach walk/jog. We still got 2 more miles, just kidding. I'm doing all these miles thinking about, I kind of want some wings and fries. I don't know if I want pasta. I don't know what I'm eating after this, but I'm starving. Don't get them wet. Yeah, it's a dubski.
We came a long way to party. So if you love the vibe, let me see your hands like this. Got to love you, 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 got to love you. Yeah. Cool, it's somewhere nice, yes, sir. And they're front to the mind. So, yo, listen. Baby girl, got me loving when you wine. Just get to the baseline, girl, when you wine is slow. Check out your shit, no shame in that. My girl, gotta let you know. Anytime when you pass, me see it at all. My girl, my love it. Orlando, it's been a few. How you been doing? You know we blazing and I'm always proud to see my Jamaican flags in the house waving. Respect you. All Caribbean people respect you. Yeah. Everybody ready to party? You say fire, play, play. When I say take them, you say higher. Take them, take them. When I say copper, you say shot, copper, copper. When I say turn it, you say up, turn it, turn it. Down the wide I can't tell it. Put it down, put it on the beat. Make our present and another pocket. Nothing in this way like home. She think the way me step the way me make me slide. But I'm feeling by the girl. Can't mean it nice. But I'm getting it nice. I'm getting it up the fight. Flip you on the ship when I go. And on the way to the road, I got to give it to the man to give it to somebody. I'm getting right for that. Don't know, so we are the people king. So we have to tell them again. so. Tell her that bro. Chilala, ayo. Chilala la 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 bum bum chile. So yo. So what's that supposed to be about? That real big man that's not active. Revolution on the good guy. Why you trying to move like I be like this? Yo, what's that? Wave up them beautiful on the road. No, we really got it up, papa. The lyrical magician. The lyrical magician. Let me see you. Yo, we make it clap. From the front, sing. Give it up to me. Your body inside, say me making me want it. Give it up to me. Ready for it today, girl. You watch me tomorrow. Feel my fantasy. Yeah. See you. But up today, girl. I watch me tomorrow, baby. Feel my fantasy. Yeah. Put it back. Put it back. Give it up to me. Yo. Just give me the light and pass it, Joe. Running Capachon. Just give me the light. Definitely tell him if you're ready. If you're ready. Come on. Hey, hey. Just give me the light and pass the job. Here, bust another buckle. Just let me know which side. Every time you get time. I'm in the line. Got to know. We are the one from the left to the right, from the north, so you feel alright. Some of the beating, bust another buckle. Right, let me know which side. There is one girlfriend. In the divine. God will know. Everybody one more time, come on. Yo, come on. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Jump on the division. Clap, clap your hands. Just give me the cheese, I make it smooth. It will make you please, so don't provoke. We don't need a speed, okay. Yo! There's no way that's easy, gotta take it slow. Yo! When it's in the street, no problem, you gotta be kind of fucking into it. How y'all feeling? What's up? Yo, I said, how y'all feeling? What's up? Yes, a joy and a pleasure to be here back again. Do the right thing and set the trend. We come from Kingston, Jamaica. Make some noise for Kingston, Jamaica, please. All of Jamaica. See our flag, we blaze it. We bear it every year. Every month. Every day. It means a lot to us that you enjoy the music. Sin. If you love, you back to the bare essentials. So on this one, I want to see every lady whining, and I want to see a man I whine behind her. You know what I mean? It comes in the other one that starts, and you know we have to fight. And I see you. Don't worry your brain. Don't you fret, just listen I'm saying. Serious, me serious, so looking at my face. I'm trying to take you back to my. Just like you would do for me without no fee. Same blood with me. All I know what's enough. Hey, I don't need to be as too much for me, my friends here for me. Yo! She works tonight, spider water. She's gonna stay so far away from her father's daughter. She just wants a life for a baby. All on her own, no one will call. She's got to save it. She gets him. pressing it back on the gun. Push that button, my girl, don't bother gun. Want to your blood, want to your body shaking up to the limit. Want to your wild out the wild, let your X to the beat, just land that me down. Yo! How come Sean Paul came to Orlando and stayed? You can tell them that Orlando girl them off the glue. All I know is that I get DJ. Please love me, my head. So what's it up? Oh, they walk big up them chest. You don't know they don't tell you that when they dead up, it's a shot upon them. When they get up in the gun, yeah, we can't just give it to them. Come on, shot them, yeah, we need to keep them strong on the back, but we not. Yo, move your body, shake your body, let me see your cards earth. Come on! Push your hands up high, burning up the sky. Got that. Oh, can I get the right thing to do? All I know, thank you.
What you think about his performance?
It was amazing.
You finally got to see the Paul?
Yes.
Everyone. Jasmine's about to lose. She's been talking shit all day. Look, God don't like ugly. And that was me already tired. It was like a couple rounds of open ass. My hands hurt. You lost. You lost. You lost. I was already recording. You lost. Who is it? It's me.
Every bite of that